How to fix Cash App invalid zip code error. Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So firstly, if you are facing an invalid zip code error, you need to check for the location that you have entered in a Cash App. What actually happens is, if you have enabled any of the VPN connection, there might be also the reason why it shows invalid zip code. If that is not the case, just double check the zip code that you have entered. Make sure it matches with the place, country, or the region. If those are not the case, there might be a technical bug or the glitch issue. To solve it, tap open your phone settings. Scroll down, then head over to Apps. Tap on All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Cash App. Firstly, for Stop the app, head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. It will remove any of the technical bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. And that is how you'll be able to fix the issue of invalid zip code. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.